gonna splooge.
Oh.
3,
Yeah.
2.
Oh, hey.
Saw, dude.
What you doing?
Got a oil change and full inspection on the Porsche Targa 4S.
Ooh.
Getting ready to go out for it.
He's so pretty.
Getting ready to go out for rental tonight.
Oh.
Oh yeah, so pretty. Still a turd.
Aw, no it's not.
It's made by Volkswagen, it's a turd.
Aw. Oh yeah. Get in there.
All of it. Oh no, it's about to splooge.
Uh-oh.
Splooge. It's gonna splooge.
Oh.
3,
Yep.
2.
Ah!
Put my secondary oil toolbox.
Well, at least you made it in there.
I always make it in whole. How are you liking that chocolate fountain though?
It's chocolate?
Every car comes standard with one of these.
Really?
Yes.
Oh. I want chocolate.
Hell, BMW, you have blue Kool-Aid that comes out of your radiator.
Oh, snap.
Other vehicles, you got your orange Kool-Aid, you got your green apple Kool-Aids.
Uh-huh.
And then you got my car.
Oh, it's peeing.
My car, you got your grape Kool-Aid that comes out there in the cooler, or the radiator.
So much Kool-Aid, so many drinks in cars.
Oh yeah.
It's such a hidden feature.
Yeah, it's like one of them chocolate fondue fountain deals that you find at like Golden Corral and stuff.
Yes.
Stick your marshmallows or anything up underneath there, they're amazing.
We're still going.
Hey, don't we have marshmallows around here somewhere? Some skewers?
Hmm. There's some ice cream.
Dude, I know we got a bunch of Snickers bars in the refrigerator.
We do.
Tons. I already had my breakfast Snickers bar.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
It's just so good. It's just so good.
Oh, it's all up in your nose.
It's just a really rich, thick and creamy chocolate, dude.
What's amazing is that it's been spewing out of his port for like 10 minutes.
Yeah. But the reason why we're having to drain this chocolate is because it's getting a little bit old and stuff, being hot and back down to cold temperatures and stuff like that. So we're gonna put fresh chocolate in it.
Yay!
And put a new filter on it to have it filter all the bad junk out of it, so it's edible. Give it back. Sometimes you just like to get stuck in there.
There's a lot of chocolate in there.
A lot of chocolate, like fucking Willy Wonka in the chocolate factory over here. You know where the kid gets sucked up in the tube?
Yes. Well aware.
I don't think he'd fit through this tube though.
No. Or not.
Hey look dude, you got competition, bro.
What?
You got competition.
What are you talking about?
You got competition.
Oh. Yeah, but it's a Boxster.
The Boxster would smoke this Targa.
Oh, no, it wouldn't.
Want to put 1,000 on it?
No.
Why not?
Cause
Come on.
I just don't know.
Come on.
I just don't know.
Okay. Let's move my toolbox out the way. One of them. And we lower it. So I would not stand under the lift while it's coming down.
No, I'm not. No, I moved.
Good deal. So little room.
Yes. So little time.
Right. I don't even think the Polish here can stick their pull-off arms back there. Do something.
I don't know.
I mean, Dave does have pretty small arms.
Right.
Just like.
Oh.
Get it in
All the way in there. Arm deep in a Targa.
This is where your oils go. Oh, it's even got a fill neck. That is cool.
Right.
And it extends even more.
Right. Smarter, not harder.
Dude, I'll still spill it. Here's your chocolate filter. Filters out all the chocolates.
Yes.
And gets all the dirty stuff out of them. Like, and when chocolate starts to harden or whatever, it'll filter all that stuff out. So, all that.
Get it.
Just like that. Who needs a socket and a ratchet when you got a
Looks like you were struggling over there.
monkey wrench? Well, I didn't have much leverage. Thought I needed to stick that in my back pocket.
What?
Are you seeing what a pain in the ass that is to work on?
It's easy, bro.
Says the person who's not the mechanic.
It's easy. I could do it with my camera closed.
What? I got your sticker.
Oh, nice. America. What you doing?
For some reason the module's not modulating.
Right.
The blower motor's not blowing.
Uh-oh.
And it keeps making a clunking noise in the dash.
Oh. Just hit it with a hammer.
Bigger hammer.
Huh?
Need a bigger hammer.
Need a bigger hammer? Oh my.
All this chocolatey goodness.
Hershey squirts everywhere.
Hershey squirt. Goodness gracious.
Oh.
Hostess. Hostess.
Yeah, hostess.
0x254. Hope we got the right filter. And we do. New O-ring. So
Yes.
nice and pretty.
Yes. Oh, soaking it in chocolate.
Gotta soak them in chocolate, dude.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it now. What's next?
You want to know why you gotta soak them in chocolate before you put them
Why
back
do
on?
you have to soak it in chocolate?
So you don't pinch it or spin it or break it or tear it.
Of course.
Or any of that. You gotta make sure all those chocolates stay inside that filter cap. You'll have no chocolate leaks. Put the new chocolate filter back in. Stick it in the hole.
Yes. Get in there.
Push it down slightly. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That's the stuff.
Got a surprise for you when I pour it.
Oh.
Alright, so guys. This right here is 100% pure Colombian cocoa.
Oh, cocoa.
Cocoa. Not cocaine, cocoa. Right.
It's so majestic.
So majestic. So this is more of a clear chocolate.
Oh.
Yeah. But still tastes
White chocolate?
No, not a white chocolate. More. It's a opaque brown.
Ah. Chocolate.
Or transparent brown.
Oh.
Chocolate. Yes. I don't know what word opaque
Chocolate
means.
just goes right through you.
Yeah, it'll go right through you, all right.
Oh. Just like that, huh?
I broke it.
Uh-oh.
No, well, no.
You broke it?
No. Damn it.
Ta-da.
See, we have the technology nowadays to fix stuff.
Well, that's what we do here at EAG. We fix things.
All things. Alright, so European cars, or cars like this, you have to have the key in this hand to start it.
Yes.
No telling how many times.
Sit down.
Who's listening to that? Alright, no telling how many times I've gotten in this car. Try to start it from this side.
Oh, I know. Same.
So, hold the brake, just like that.